right, guys, today we have the chest supported reverse fly for the rear delt. So you're going to have an angled torso on this one. It's a game changer. You're going to make sure that the arms are all the way to the front, so that way you can get complete range of motion. And this is going to target the rear delts even more than when you're just standard and seated. It reduces momentum in cheating. Bracing your chest and your core eliminates that. And then it improves your upper back isolation by creating more emphasis on the rear delt because it's in line with the weight. So you're going to set up the machine, adjusting the seat lower than usual so that you can kind of hover over it. Handles should start in front of you, just slightly at shoulder height. Lean your chest slightly forward onto the pad, not completely upright. Keep your feet planted firmly on the ground behind you, knees slightly bent. Engage your core and glutes to stabilize. Grip those handles, neutral position, and elbows slightly bent. You're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together. Drive the arms out and back into a wide arc, focusing on pulling with the rear delts, not the traps, not the arms. Elbows should stay in line or just below your shoulders. And then you're going to control that eccentric movement. So on the way back, slowly return to start position, maintaining the tension and control, and don't let those weights snap forward. For a pro tip for some rear delt domination, imagine you're squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades at the back and the peak of each rep, but only for a split second.